Most real estate investors are playing the wrong game. They're fighting over the same overpriced MLS deals, competing with 100 other investors, getting outbid and wasting months on deals that never close. But what if I told you the best real estate deals are in plain sight? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find motivated sellers before they list their property. I'll walk you through the 5D's playbook, a system designed to target sellers who need to sell right now. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact framework to find deals with zero competition, whether you're brand new or already investing. This is going to be mind-blowing. The 5D's playbook. Here's the truth. People don't sell homes because they want to. They sell because they have to. There are 5 major life events that force people to sell quickly and at a discount. And here they are. Number 1, death, inherited properties, and probate deal. Number 2, divorce, owners forced to sell assets quickly. Number 3, debt, pre-foreclosures, tax liens, and financial crisis. Number 4, disease, serious health issues that require fast sales. And last but definitely not least, number 5, downsizing, job loss, relocation, or landlords deciding to exit the market. If you understand these 5 triggers, you'll never struggle to find off-market deals again. Hey guys, I almost forgot. I know I'm interrupting the video here, but listen, my team actually put together this pretty cool PDF workbook to break all this stuff down. Let's check it out. In the workbook, it's going to give you a bunch of other details that's not covered in this video. For example, deaths, probates, very touchy subject. And it's going to actually break down exactly how to handle those situations and much more. It's super cool. So to get this, all you have to do is go to journeytoadeal.com. And then I'm going to send this to you when you sign up for the next free challenge coming up here soon. Now you understand why people sell, so let's talk about exactly how to find them. Step 1, look where no one else is looking. The biggest mistakes investors make is waiting for deals to come to them. Motivated sellers leave clues everywhere. In public records, you can see tax liens, pre-foreclosures notices, and probate filing. You must be proactive, not reactive. If you're only looking at the MLS listings, you're already too late. Step 2, direct outreach. Be the first to help. Once you've identified motivated sellers, don't wait. Reach out immediately. You can send them a letter, give them a call, or even knock on the door. And here's an easy script you can use right away. Hey, Mr. Seller, just reaching out, quick call. My name is Eric, and I help homeowners with quick, stress-free transactions when they're thinking about selling. I'm not really sure if that's something you've considered here recently. Step 3, solve the problem. Don't just make an offer. Most investors simply pitch offers, but the best investors offer solutions. Many motivated sellers don't just need money. They need speed, simplicity, and a peace of mind. Position yourself as the easiest, most stress-free option available. Remember, real estate investing isn't about houses. It's about solving people's problems. The better you solve problems, the more deals you'll close. Let me break down a real deal I closed using this exact 5D's playbook. The seller was going through a divorce, and their attorney instructed them to sell immediately. And guess what? One needed cash fast. Guess which one that was? And the other just wanted to be done with the entire situation. I was the first to contact them, and no competition and no bidding wars. I secured the property for about 40% below market, simply because I was the first person to provide a confident solution. Here's the key takeaway. When you find motivated sellers before they list their property, you'll never have to fight for deals again. It's called DTS, direct to seller marketing, and it's super easy to do. All you need to do, get a website for credibility, phone numbers that you can record your calls with, a follow-up process that uses automation, and then skip the manual work and get a list of 5,000 contacts with the 5Ds already pre-identified. We do all of this and more in the Journey to a Deal full immersion. And the best part, it costs less than going out to eat twice a month. Now, You're probably thinking, to get this kind of service somewhere else, it would easily cost me $40,000 or more. And you're absolutely right, but not here. If you can afford to eat out just twice a month right now, you can afford this. Here's exactly what you get inside the Journey to a Deal full immersion. We build you a fully customized website so you look like a pro from day one. We set up your entire business structure, no more guessing what steps to take next. We give you the 4-step system to consistently generate deals and get you paid fast. We'll pinpoint the 10 best wholesale, creative, and appreciation and cash flow mini markets, like niche down markets in your area, so you stop wasting time in places where you won't make any money. And most importantly, we hand you the biggest buyers in your market, so you always know exactly who to sell to. Think about this. The big buyers, the ones who own 100 plus properties, they already know what a good deal looks like, where to buy, and how to close quickly. These buyers already have the answers you're looking for. We're going to connect you directly to them. And I'm on a mission to create 1,000 financially free Americans this year through real estate investing. You can be one of them, but only if you take action right now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I will personally read every single one of them. Let's build something great together, my friend. Stay blessed by the best. I'll see you on the next one.